This video will introduce the operation process of the Major Depressive Disorder Detection Kit. It will consist of 4 parts. First, intended use. Second, detection principle. Third, operation procedure. Fourth, test report. First, intended use. The product system consists of 3 parts. First, nucleic acid extraction kit magnetic bead method. This product is intended use for the extraction, enrichment and purification of nucleic acids. Second, MDD circRNA RT-PCR Detection Kit fluorescent PCR method. This product is an in vitro diagnosis device intended for quantitative detection of circAT7IP, circRNA, circP25 and circDIM in human saliva sample. The test result acts as an aid in the diagnosis of major depressive disorder. Third, data analysis software. Input the CT values into the data analysis software and the software will automatically calculate the score and provide the test results. Second, detection principle. Nucleic acid extraction kit, magnetic bead method detection principle. See the kit instruction manual for details. circRNA RT-PCR Detection Kit detection principle. See the kit instruction manual for details. Third, operation procedure. The operation procedure consists of 4 steps. First step, sample collection, saliva, plasma. The second step, circRNA extraction. The third step, RT-PCR procedure. Step 4, data analysis, calculate the score and provide the test results. First step, sample collection. Sample type, human saliva or plasma. Saliva collection method, we have prepared a detailed saliva collection process for you here. After the saliva collection is complete, saliva sample preparation is required. Centrifuge the saliva sample at 3000 revolutions per minute for 10 minutes at 4 degrees Celsius. Collect the supernatant and transfer it into a new centrifuge tube. Then continue centrifuging the supernatant collected at 13,000 revolutions per minute at 4 degrees Celsius for 2 minutes. Collected the supernatant for RNA extraction. Plasma collection and sample preservation consists of 4 steps. First, venous blood collection. Second, obtain plasma. Third, sample preservation. Fourth, sample transportation. The second step, circRNA extraction. circRNA extraction from saliva or plasma samples was performed using the nucleic acid extraction kit, magnetic bead method manufactured by Nanjing Healed Gene Biotechnology Corporation Limited. See the kit instruction manual for details. The third step, RT-PCR procedure. circRNA was detected using the MDD circRNA RT-PCR Detection Kit, fluorescent PCR method manufactured by Nanjing Healed Gene Biotechnology Corporation Limited. See the kit instruction manual for details. Step 4, data analysis. Input the CT values into the data analysis software developed by Nanjing Healed Gene Biotechnology Corporation Limited. The software will automatically calculate the score and provide the test results. Fourth, test report. After the completion of the detection, provide the test report to the customer.